How to pause automatic savings in Acorns Mobile App. Welcome! In this quick guide, we'll walk you through the steps on how to pause automatic savings in the Acorns Mobile App. Let's get started. First, open the Acorns Mobile App on your device. Make sure you are logged in with your correct account details. Next, tap the menu icon. This is the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen. From there, scroll down and tap on Settings. Within the Settings menu, look for and tap Recurring Contributions. This is where you manage your scheduled deposits. To pause your automatic savings, simply toggle off the switch next to your recurring contribution setting. This will temporarily stop future transfers. Once you have toggled off the contributions, confirm your changes when prompted. This ensures that your preference is saved. You should now see a confirmation message that your automatic savings have been paused. You can return here anytime to resume them.